cabin in Tennessee. We got so high we cried, and you